Okay, so today is our test day. We are on cycle 2, day 5 of run, jump, throw, the world of track and field. So let me share my screen here. Remember, our team cooperation goal is explain your ideas and tell why. So remember to think about what that might look like and sound like. Remember, you're going to cite information from the text whenever you're explaining things and telling why you're giving evidence for what you're saying. We're still working on summarizing, base words and endings. And tomorrow we're going to be writing the descriptive paragraph, or next time. Okay, let's go ahead and go through our words one more time before you take the test. Lightweight just means not heavy. The cat looked huge because of its thick fur, but it was actually very lightweight. Spin means twirl. The dancers spin so fast they look like blurs on the stage. Sails means flies. The ball sails through the air as the two children pass it to each other. Pounds means hits hard. The jackhammer pounds into the cement to break it into small pieces. Occur means to happen. 2 sporting events will occur today, so the school will be a busy place. Earn means to receive as an award. Morgan will earn a star if she gets an A on her spelling test. Grandest just means biggest or best. Julia is throwing her sister the grandest party anyone has ever seen. Compete. Compete means to go up against someone, as in a game or a contest. The 2 teams will compete for a trophy tomorrow. Okay, so we are going to look over our test questions. Okay, so on your test, you're going to be reading a passage. Let me show you this. Okay. Okay, so you're going to read the test passage and you're going to complete a graphic organizer. So you'll need a piece of paper and you're going to make an idea tree about this paragraph. You're going to make your graphic organizer and then you're going to read it again and add more details to your organizer. And the passage is called Playing Fair. And you're going to read today about how track and field, or you're going to read about track and field judges. Judges and officials help to keep sports fair for everyone. Okay, so let's look at your questions. Okay, the first one says, what is the topic of this text? So they're talking about what you just read, and then you need to support that, but how do you know? So it's a 2-part. Number 2, what is the intent of the author? So what are they trying to tell you? And then how do you know? So you have to support that with evidence from the text. What do you think happens if a runner gets a head start or doesn't follow the running path? And you're to support your answer. So you need to go back and read and be able to support your answer about what you read. Number 4 says, which of the following is a less important detail from the text Playing Fair? So you're going to, after you read the text, you're going to choose the less important. They're all details, but this is the less important one. Judges watch runners, jumpers, and throwers. Athletes need to follow the rules. Judges make sure athletes do not cheat during events. Track and field is like other sports. And then you also need to support that by saying how you know. Okay, and this next part for your word power, you're actually going to use a piece of paper. You're going to write the words on your piece of paper. Then you're going to write the base word and the ending of each word and what that word means. If necessary, you can draw a line through the letter on the base word that is dropped when the ending is added. You can even draw a sailboat if you need help. Okay, and you're going to upload a photo of your answers for this part. Okay, and you have your vocabulary words: lightweight, spin, sails, pounds, occur, earn, grandest, and complete. Sorry. The next one's write a meaningful sentence for the word earn. Then you're going to fill in the blank on the next one. My dad would like me to blank in hockey, but I'd rather play basketball instead. Then you have watch as a bird sails through the air and you'll understand why people wanted to have wings too. Grandpa said sail means, and you're going to be picking from a multiple choice list, flies, sinks, swims, or falls. The box looked big and bulky, but it was lightweight because nothing was in it. Lunar eclipses occur every year, but not everyone can see them all the time. Occur means you're going to pick what it means: disappear, skip, forget, or happen. The next one says, some think the 4th of July fireworks in Washington, D.C. are the blank display you can see in the country. So you're going to choose one of your vocabulary words for that. The next one is a multiple choice. The spoiled little boy pounds his hands on the floor whenever he doesn't get his way. Pounds means, does it mean lightly taps, brushes, hits hard, pets? And then the last one says, I used to love riding the teacups at the amusement park and would blank my cup as fast as I could. So think of which vocabulary word would fill in that blank. And then the last question on your test, you're going to upload a photo. So take a photo of your completed graphic organizer, not your old ones, but for the new one that you just made for this passage, Playing Fair. So you're going to take a picture of it and put it on there for credit for doing that. And that passage again is right there. Okay, so go ahead and take your test.